Pahala tuh, pahala, pahala.
Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Mitra. I would like to welcome all of you to the Pool Taxi Theater for High Flyers. Thank you. Now this morning, we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through a colorful and wonderful world of birds. We hope you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking about feathered friends, I'm very sure all of you would have seen some chickens running around the stage, right? Well, those are known as our bantam chickens. And with that, we have one more chicken joining us. That will be a bantam rooster. So everyone, if you are ready, keep your eyes at that heart. Let's welcome Charlie, our bantam rooster. Hello. And in touchdown. Good job, Charlie. Now many of us think that chickens cannot fly. That's not true. Charlie here has proven us otherwise. Okay, Charlie, all the way back home. Beautiful flight. Now let's highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Macaws in the wild, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits or nuts. So right here we have a tree with fruits and nuts attached for a bird. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. And joining Gaia will be Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Macaws like them, they can be found in the forest of South America. Coming back to Gaia. Gaia is our hyacinth macaw, and hyacinth macaws are one of the 4 blue macaw species that you can find in the world. Right here in the bird park, we have 3 of them. So don't forget to check them out at the parrot paradise, okay? Now after feasting, these birds, they often fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Now looks like, let's see, Adric is still here, not to worry. This will definitely be his next stop. Hello, Saad.
Hi.
Who is there?
Now everyone, this is EP and he is our Go Green for Wildlife ambassador. Now he's so environmentally conscious that whenever he sees litter lying around, he will pick it up and throw it in the correct bin.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. I have 3 kinds of litters here, okay? I have a drink carton, a metal can, and a plastic bottle.
Okay, to prove this to you, now I have bins too. Now, the first one, now this one is for paper, for metal, and for plastic material.
Okay, let's see if we can place the right trash into the right bin.
Okay, EP, let's prove it to them.
Okay, let's see which one he picks up first. Oh, that's the drink carton. Wow, good job.
Okay, EP, 2 more to go.
Okay, that's the metal can. Wow, well done.
Last one.
Okay, that will be the plastic bottle. Okay, Saad.
Yeah.
He's having a little bit of problem here. It's a bit too high.
Okay, not to worry. Now I have EP's cute little stool here. Okay, pass it to him and see what he does with it.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this stool upside down. Okay, watch what he does. The stool is here.
Ah,
Okay, he flips it around. He's trying to adjust the stool. Alright, is that fine? No, not fine yet. Okay. Take your time, EP. Okay? It's okay? Alright. Now you show everyone how you recycle.
Let's watch it. Step on the stool and he...
Cycles. Well done, EP.
Well done, EP. Now plastic waste has invaded our water to an extent it has killed more than 1 million of birds and animals every single year. Now plastic waste found in their natural habitat will actually actually harms wildlife when they consume it or even get entangled in it. For these reasons, they are known as the deadliest monsters.
Oh no, that is very alarming now. EP here has set a very good example that we should all recycle our items because these recycled items can be made into new products. Okay, so if EP can do it, I'm very sure all of us can do so. So let's all bin our litter, right, to help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. Okay, with that, everyone, let's give a round of applause for Sam and EP. Thank you. Now for the next act, we will be needing a volunteer. Lina needs a volunteer, so try to get her attention. Don't wave your hands at me, wave your hands at her. Okay, looks like she has gotten a volunteer already. Alright, we will be inviting two very beautiful birds. And these birds, they will be flying very, very low above some of your heads. Okay, so I need everyone to remain seated at all times and do not reach out to touch the birds when the birds are flying. Alright, some final instructions for our first volunteer. Is he ready, Lina? Yes? Okay, so looks like he's ready. Everyone, keep your eyes at that heart. Let's welcome our Togo toucans. Can we all sit down, please? Thank you. We have two of them joining us this morning. There they are. Now, Togo toucans, they can be found in South America, just like our macaws. Now, they're going to make their way to our center volunteer in a very short while. Good job, volunteers. All right, once again, everyone sit down. Thank you very much. Okay, despite having large beaks, these birds, they remain agile in flight. So to help demonstrate that, Lina will be tossing a fruit each for both the toucans. Let's see if they can fly and catch it in mid-flight. Okay, but before that happens, I need everyone to sit down. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, Lina, you ready? All right, 1, 2, and 3. Woo! That was a perfect catch. Okay, now for the other toucan. Ready, Lina? On your go. 1, 2, and 3. Oops. Oh, what happened? Okay, we'll do this one more time. Let's just try to get the attention of the toucan first. Ready? All right, and up. Missed it again. Okay, people around the bird, please do not touch the bird. I repeat, do not touch the bird. Let Lina come over and get him. Alright, he swallowed the grape. Alright, never mind. Let's give it to him, okay? Alright, so let me introduce the both of them to you, okay? They are a very beautiful couple by the name of Mr. and Mrs. Axel, our husband and wife team, okay? They are very, very loyal to one another. Okay, so let me see who I have. Oh, I have Mrs. Axel. Mr. Axel, do you want to join me and your wife here? Come on, join us here. There you go, beautiful fly. Alright, like I said, they are very loyal to one another. When one goes, the other will follow. Watch this, everyone. I'm going to leave the both of them right here on the stump. Mrs. Axel, you lead the way. That way, you follow her. Now, our Togo toucans, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy sounds. We have one such bird today, so everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? But one gentle reminder, for those of you taking pictures or videos, please turn off your flashlights, okay? Just check the back of your phones as well, alright? Thank you. Hi, you gonna say hello? Hello. Very sweet hello. Okay, come, introduce yourself. Tell everyone your name. Amigo. Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. We'll do this one more time, okay? What's your name? Amigo.
Amigo.
Amigo. Very cute, hello. Good job. Okay, so Big John, you stay right here. We'll continue with Amigo, then I'll come back to you, okay? Alright, Amigo. You heard him count in English, right? Let's hear Amigo count in Chinese. 很好 means very good in Chinese, and I think someone needs some attention. Okay, Big John, don't scream, don't scream. You already said hello, right? Why don't you show them how you laugh? How do you laugh? You don't wanna laugh? Okay, how about the cough? How do you cough? You don't wanna cough as well? How about you? Big John, where are you? Don't scream, you're really very loud. Can you hear him? He's really very loud and he doesn't even need the use of the microphone. Alright, people at the back, I'm very sure you guys can hear Big John loud and clear, right? Yes? Do you think parents like Big John, they make good pets? No, because these loud screams will disrupt your sleep as well as your neighbors will start to complain. Okay? Big John, I cannot continue with the show with him screaming so loud. Even I'm getting distracted. Big John, you go back home and scream, okay? Okay? Can we all wave and say bye-bye, Big John? Go back home, alright? Yes, Asa will say bye-bye on his behalf. Okay, bye-bye. Now he's quiet. I think he really wants to go back home. Okay, never mind. Amigo, you have the stage all for yourself, okay? No more loud screams, no more distractions, okay? You heard him counting in English and in Chinese, right? Let's hear Amigo sing, shall we? Amigo can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Alright, the first song titled Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. So Amigo, you ready? Let's sing in Mandarin. There you go, current line word for word. Good job. Alright, the second song originates from Indonesia titled Rasa Sayang. Now Rasa Sayang means feelings of love. We go ready? No? Okay. Sing Rasa Sayang. Hey, what a jerky song! Now the third song is a very special song, and it goes out to those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today. So, 1st of November. Anyone's birthday? Where? Raise up your hands. Don't be shy. People on this side, nobody? People in the middle? Alright, we have 1. We have 1 so far, 2 all the way up there, and 3. Oh, everybody's pointing at you. Okay, so we have 3. So for the 3 of you, Amigo is going to sing you a very, very special song. Okay? Ready? Can we sing for them? Happy birthday to the 3 of you! Thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Amigo here, he is 1 in a million. It takes a lot of years and dedication to do what he just did earlier. Imagine the disappointment faced by parrot owners if they end up with a bird just like Big John. Okay, who can be either very quiet or extremely loud. Alright, so please think before you get yourself a pet parrot. So now it's time for Amigo to head back home. this, alright? You guys might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot after hearing Amigo, but once again, these birds, they are known to outlive us, alright? So please, once again, think twice or even thrice before you get yourself a pet parrot. Now the next two birds joining us are hornbills, and they are going to show us how loving they can be. So everyone, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Harriet, our bar tree hornbill. Hello, Harriet. Good morning. Now, bar tree hornbills like Harriet, they can be found in Asia. Alright, hornbills in general, they can be found in two continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Can you see the nest box right there? Now, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our birds right here in the bird park. Now, Harriet and myself will be coming up the flight of stairs. For those of you seated on my right and left, do not touch the bird and do not stand up, okay? Can we all have a seat? Thank you very much. Okay. Harriet, ready? Let's go up. Can you all hear her? Now, that is how they vocalize, okay? That is how hornbills vocalize. There are a few steps higher so the people at the top can have a closer look at her. Beautiful bird, isn't she? Okay, Harriet, you can spread your wings and fly. Okay, Harriet, your nest box is a bit higher. Just go one step higher. Hop a little bit. Show everyone your cute hop. Let's just give her some time, okay? There you go. Now what she's doing right now is she's inspecting her nest box. And only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. You like it? Oh, in she goes. Now once inside, she will then seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. So Harriet, if you like a nest box, you can seal it up now. Harriet, are you still inside? Oh, there she is. Now everyone. Okay, before that, I need people over there to sit down. Okay, once again, everyone, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Sunny, a great white hornbill. Where is Sunny? Okay, before that, I think I know why people over there. Can we all sit down, please? Sit down, the gentleman in the blue jacket. Sit down, please. Thank you very much. Okay, there's a lot of things going on right there. There you go. Beautiful flight by Sunny. Now Sunny here is Jurong Bird Park's animal icon, alright? Now when the female hornbills are in the nest, the male would then go out to look for food to feed her, and this would take up to 3 or 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Now in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental Pied Hornbill thanks to your contributions to our conservation fund right here. We have successfully released some of them into nature reserves in Singapore as well as right here in the bird park. So after the show, just look up, okay? You can spot some free-flying Oriental Pied Hornbills. Hello, Saad. Saad's back. Now, Saad will be making... Oh, beautiful flight once again, and he missed you. Okay, Sunny, one more time. And a touchdown. Sunny, a great white hornbill, everyone. Very nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. So if you want to volunteer, we have trainers coming up to your section. We have Durga on this side, Sarlina in the middle, Amada on my right. Get their attention, not mine, okay? On my hand right here, I have Vega, our scarlet macaw. Vega will be joined by Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw, in a very short while. Now look at their wings as they fly past you. This allows them to fly through the dense vegetations of the rainforest in South America. So, okay, once again, I need everyone to remain seated if you are not the volunteer, okay? Because you will be in the flight flight path of the birds. I need everyone to remain seated, please. Photographers especially, can we all sit down? For those of you with long selfie sticks, lower the sticks down as well. Thank you very much. Okay, looks like all our volunteers are ready and off goes Kaya. And off goes Vega. There you go. Beautiful flights by Vega and Kaya. Now with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers and sharp eyesight. This allows them to be maneuverable while flying. This time, the birds are going to take off from both the ends of the stage and try to meet each other at the center hook. Alright, so center volunteer, you have to keep your hook straight and steady. A little bit higher, Salina. A little bit more, a bit more. Okay, there you go. Alright. Once again, everyone remain seated, okay? Kaya, ready? Ready and go. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Kaya and Lina. Thank you. And good job to you too, Vega. Well done. Okay, so Vega is going to fly solo this time. But Salina is going to fly one more time. What are you doing to the hook? You're making the hook smaller? How? Don't break it. Wow, how did you do that? The number 8 is going to fly even smaller. Wow, how did you do that? Okay, are you sure Vega can do this? Of course. Now Salina's pretty confident because of course they have streamlined bodies. Alright, and this allows them to fly through the dense vegetations of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers or predators. That is going to be very challenging. So everyone, Vega needs to focus. You ready? Can we give Vega another round of applause, everyone? Good job, Vega. And you can fly back home all the way to Lina. Now we will be joined by 2 more macaws on stage. Now birds, they often gather right? Let's just give Barry a second chance, okay? 4 fruits on each side of the table. Barry supporters, you have to cheer. Hello? No, cheating. It rolled off. Okay, excuses. Ready and go! The true blue champion this morning is coming! Aw, it's okay, Barry. Yes, we all know Barry here has tried his very best, so let's give a round of applause for Barry and Courtney, our playful Macaws. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale, so don't go anywhere just yet. I'm very sure the birds would have amazed you. Some of them made you laugh as well. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that you have met today. Now, we can all help these birds by simply choosing the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. Remember, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So let's make the right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. Now, looks like we are all set to go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we are going to have lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. First up from Africa, we have our great white pelican. And next from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our Dalmatian pelican. Now back to Africa, the birds with their sexy long legs, also known as the supermodels of the world, our greater Finally from South America, let's welcome our beautiful and colorful macaws from up there and there. There you have it, everyone. Our grand finale of birds. Can we give them all a round of applause? And with that, we have come to the end of the High Flying Show. You're more than welcome to come down, take pictures of our birds in a very short while, okay? We will be having a photography session with another group of flamingos. So if you're interested, all you have to do is just hang on a little while more. I will give you more details, okay? And if you want to bring home plush toys, my colleague up there is selling them at a very special price, so don't forget to check them out later. And lastly, on behalf of our sponsor,